Hello everyone, my name is Keys. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to play worship chords on piano. Those chords you use for your worship. I'm going to do this video tutorial on the key of F. Let me play a song, then I will break it down further. So I'm doing this tutorial on the key of F. That is your do, re, mi, fa, so. For general understanding. So I just played the song, and now not beside, I'll always worship you. So the progression of this very song, these are some of the basic chords you can use for your worship. The progression is do. Is your do. Remember, this is the second version of your do. I did a tutorial in the versions, so you can go and check it out. So this your do. This is the first version. This is the second version. So I'm using the second version, and now do, which is your one, sol, la. That is your one, your 5, your 6. You can either do this or you do the. So let me just state the basic chords in this very song. Then I will break it down further. And do, sol, la, mi, fa, your re, your sol. Again, same thing. Understand? So the number pattern, your 1, 1, your 5, your 6, your 3, your 4, your 2, your 5, then back to your 1. So what I was just doing here is my do. On my left, I play do, sol, do. On my right, I play my do, your sol, do, re, mi, sol. Understand? I'll just be doing some kind of fingering. But the chord is here. See the chord here? Your do. You play your, once the sol is a passing chord to your la. Say that you play the song as a passing chord to your la, or you play your Z as a passing chord to your la. You understand? Anyone can walk. Just if you notice something, I'll just do kind of arpeggio with my left. See the movement. See, this one comes first, then this comes first, then this, then this. See what I did here? Your song, something like this. So again, so this your mi is a passing chord to your fa. Understand? So from the beginning again, and once you play your mi, the next chord is your fa. Then your re will not be a passing chord to your sol. You understand? All this will help spice up the song. It's kind of basic, but it's very cool. With this Zila, see. Simple. This very chord progression, your Z, La, your Mi, Fa, most worship songs, gospel worship songs, you can find all these chords here. So this is the basic chord progression for your worship. You understand? If you want to learn this, just replay this very tutorial over and over again and you master it. Let me now play it with the beat, then we call it a tutorial. Guys, this is how to play your worship chords on keyboard. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, drop your feedbacks. Love you.